Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and today we are going to unbox the new iPhone 12 Pro. This is the graphite color, 128 gigs of storage and 6 gig of RAM. It's an upgrade for me. I went from iPhone 7, like this was like 5 or 6 years ago. So this is a massive upgrade. And okay, so here it is. This is the newly bought iPhone 12 Pro. This unpacked, like you can see the sigil even is there, like yeah, this is the first time I'm opening this, and I just bought it like 2 days ago, and I waited for this special time. You can see that the package is a lot smaller. This is because Apple didn't include headphones and the brick which you can charge. It only included the USB cable which you can charge the phone. So this is like pretty shitty compared to other years. Like the iPhone 7 had everything on it, like the headphones and the brick and the cable. Okay, so let's get right into it. Like, okay, have to do this. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is the package. Very nice iPhone. Okay, so I guess, okay, this is the iPhone Pro. Looks very nice. The finish is very nice. Also has 12 megapixels camera. Ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Okay, let's put this around here. Okay, now you have the charger, as I said, and I think this is stickers. Yeah, this is stickers, and the key, and an Apple sticker, which is really nice from Apple to include. Anyway, I won't use them, so what's the point in it? Okay, put it here. Okay, so let's get right into the good stuff. The iPhone, which is nice, pretty big, graphite. Okay, we want this build to be amazing. Yeah, look at that, look at that. One thing you should watch when buying this phone is like this part. This is like metal, stainless steel, and if you touch it just a few times, it gets like very nasty. It will be very dirty. I don't know, don't think you can actually see, but there's actually my fingerprints already all over it. So yeah, let's see if we can open it right out of the box, but I don't think it should be. Yeah. Oh, it's open. It's opening. This is like interesting because usually iPhone should not ship with battery in it, but this is really cool. Oh, hello, yeah, hello. Swipe to open. Okay. Hola. No. Okay, I want it to be in English. Romania, from Romania. Okay, we have full battery, set up manually. Okay, right out of the box, like it fits really good into the palm. It's not too big, it's just the right size. Especially my hands are not very big. Like I like this roundness. I mean, it's not like the iPhone 11 and 10 and 8, which is like rounded. This is like a lot of like rectangular form, which is really nice. Okay, just it's interesting that you can touch whenever you're holding the phone, you're touching the camera, which is not really good. Prefer languages, yeah. Okay, continue. This is the network. Okay, let me put my password in here. For the Wi-Fi, if you come by my house, you can, you know, connect to the network if you really want to. Yeah, this is very cool. Why is the focus changing? Like, it might take a little bit of time, so I'll just come back.